What did it say? Plex.
You know who Plex is. You sweating.
You hot? No. Who is that?
Good.
Who? DJ Lance Rock.
Who is that?
Good.
That's Broby.
He got the gum in his mouth. He can't talk.
I like the cup though. The cup. Yeah, yo gabba gabba cup.
Good.
What else?
Yay!
What else we got?
Oh my! It's a recorder.
Oh.
I'm definitely putting that on Facebook. What?
We got a big whistle.
Big whistle. Oh gosh. Granny's gonna call you.
We like this big green whistle.
It is a recorder. What color is it, man?
What color is that?
What color?
Green.
Green. Good job.
Here. You want it? Uh-oh. Look, let's just open this. You know. Yeah, put yours there.
Really? Just as nasty.
Resourceful.
Oh, gross.
Toot away. Blow it.
Oh!
You gotta put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Like this. Blow. Like this. Exactly.
Oh my God. The recorded lessons here. Oh. Oh my goodness. Good job.
All right.
Okay, let's see what else. Oh, jeez. Let's see what else is in the bag.
What else in the bag?
Your suit jacket.
Nice. Oh, okay.
No.
Mommy just got injured by the flu. The whistle just got it. And she's over there.